Hello, my lovelies. I hope you are well. Our lesson today talking about the change of state. So let's start. We all know that the three most familiar states of matter are called solid, liquid, and gas. So the change of matter from one physical form of matter to another, when the substance undergo a physical change, this is called a physical change. When the ice change to water, it's a physical change, okay? It's still the water, okay? To ice, from ice to water, from water to ice, it's physical. The change in substance from one state to another, energy must be added or removed. When substance gain or lose energy, its temperature change or its state also change. Now, from solid to liquid, melting, and the opposite, solidification or freezing. From liquid to gas, evaporation, and the opposite is condensation, and also from solid to gas, sublimation, and from gas to solid, deposition, or called desublimation. Now let's talk about the graph solid, liquid, and gas. From solid to liquid, melting, and the opposite, freezing. From liquid to gas, vaporization or boiling or evaporation, and the opposite is condensing. This is the same one. Now let's talk about the graph. The graph that the temperature of the solid remain constant until all of the solid has melted into liquid. When the solid change into liquid, the temperature changes. Okay, and the temperature of the liquid remains the same until all the liquid change to gas. All the matter is made up of very tiny particles that are in a constant motion. This is the definition of what the kinetic states of matter. During the change of state, the motion of the particle changes. The particle can break away from each other and gain more freedom to move. When solids change into liquid, they may attract each other more strongly and have less freedom to move. From gas to liquid or from liquid to solid, the change of state of the substance gains energy from or lose energy to the environment, but the total amount of energy is conserved. The solid is the state which when the liquid becomes solid called freezing. When the liquid is cooled, is a particle have less energy, they slow down and they lock into a fixed arrangement. This is called the freezing point. When liquid becomes solid, this is called the freezing point. When the solid is warm and each particle gain energy and is made up, the attraction between them decrease. They slide past one another. From solid to liquid, this is called melting. The temperature at which the solid become a liquid called melting point. The same evaporation went from liquid to gas, and evaporation occurs slowly at a range of temperature, but happen more quickly at a high temperature. Now, a rapid change from the liquid to gas, this is called the boiling, and this specific temperature at which is a at which is a liquid become a gas, this is called the boiling point. The gas is cooled and the particle lose energy. The attraction between the particle overcomes and the speed of their motion in the liquid form. This is called what? Condensation. From solid to gas directly called sublimation, and from gas to solid called deposition. When the matter changes from one state to another, this physically change, but its chemical identity doesn't change. The change of a state, the energy of the particles, their movement, the distance between them change, and the mass of the substance doesn't change when its state change. Each state contains the same amount of matter. Thanks a lot. If you need any question, please tell me.